County in central Maryland, south central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Laurel to near Fort Meade to Lanham Seabrook and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bowie, Crofton, Severn, Elkridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Largo, FedEx Field, Forestville, Columbia, Laurel, Odenton, Mitchellville, Savage Guilford, Severna Park, Woodmore, Greenhaven, Millersville, Brooklyn Park, Pasadena and Parole. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. And now a special weather station.